Where we go? Hello and welcome aboard. I'm Sir Fonda. My name is Alex, your captain and storyteller today. For your safety, we ask you please remain seated with your hands, arms, legs inside the boat at all times. Pictures of a boat today will be passing through. The jaws, the monster, the whale, the very same boat, the swallow can never kill a hole. But today we'll be transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Nightly monster was going to the luxury cave of the big fat wolf who shortly after the three little pigs. After a little bit across the way, those three houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Our story takes a strange turn. Around the corner in the quaint English village, home to a girl named Alice, one good afternoon follows a white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down into Wonderland. On to your right is the park where Peter Pan, Wendy, John, and Michael flew over with a little help with Peter Bell's pixie dust, making the way to Neverland, where they'll never ever have to grow up. When I take a jump straight ahead to a city called Agrabah, the very same marketplace where Princess Jasmine from the Swiss Street Rabbit. Archers above us are the very same ones that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin soared over, silent and under, back to the right to a whole new world. As many stories are filled with mystery, just like the cave of wonders up ahead, holds a magical golden lamp with a genie trapped inside. Legend has it if you set the genie free, you're guaranteed 3 wishes and make a wish inside and 3 becomes true. On to your right is a cozy cottage home to 7 doors, the very same place Snow White's life to hide from the evil queen. Up ahead is a 10-door mine, curious and close by hidden with the why they were. To your left-hand side is Cinderella's castle, which she didn't have a bump and her wicked stepmother surveyed her. Luckily, her fairy godmother granted her wish, so Cinderella didn't make it by midnight. Her carriage starts to that very same pumpkin on top of that bridge. Many dream of happily ever after, while others dream of choosing off to sleep while closing powers to your left and back of the 1933 Silver Symphony cartoon followed by them. To your left is the top of tower, which is used to see those slowly land and something with the helpless woman rider in a husky flying cat who is able to fulfill her dream to find a new dreamer sunrider. Along the way, might see some water coasters and who needs to rider himself. We just can't really get his nose right. To your left is Mr. Cool Hall Manor. So sorry friends, please not home right now. Please off to wild ride, nowhere in particular. Here has the icy painted called Arendelle, top of the snowy mountains, Elsa's icy palace, where she was trying to isolate herself and Sister Anna refused to let her go. But he both discovered something much more stronger than Elsa's magic, the power of love. While the blind village, the most carbonation pedal was upon his daughter for his puppet to become a real boy. This was discounted by the blue fairy African nurse who saved him from the belly of the whale monster. Area 3, Staying on Land, follow Prince Eric to the castle to your right, taking the way first step to becoming part of our world. Her story began in the streets, we practiced freedom to your left, and ended with all good stories from the happily ever after. As the story comes to an end, you come closer towards the dock, practicing remain seated with your hands, arms, fingers inside the boat at all times.
It's really in the way. He's going back now to get the next